kung gaano kasarap at tikman natin guys. And welcome, as I'll be making again this favorite smoothie of ours, and today we'll be doing the green smoothie as requested, of course. And shout out to Humble Barista na sana naman i-share mo ang video na to because I really did this green smoothie because you requested it. Pero inuunahan ko lang that there is this one ingredient, or is a bitter gourd or the ampalaya na gusto sana niya ipahalo sa ating green smoothie, but I'm so sorry because I went to the market, I went to the grocery already around the town, but wala talagang binibintang ampalaya today. I don't know, since yesterday walang ampalaya, siguro hindi sila bitter, so that's why no ampalaya around. But anyhow, we will be doing this green smoothie bars, and I will just be using, like we have here the cucumber of course, and then I will be using this lettuce na favorite also natin at napakasarap niyan. Plus of course we'll be having this guava, o sino ba hindi natatakam sa bayabas na yan, di ba? Naalaala nyo elementary kayo na umakyat kayo ng puno ng bayabas, ano? So they will be using this one, and of course my favorite as ever, the avocado. So we'll be using avocado for this smoothie also, and of course we'll be having this, wait guys, we'll be having this guava juice because it's a green smoothie. So naghanap din ako ng green juice, and I found this 100% guava juice from, hindi na natin i-promote ang brand kasi hindi naman siya sponsor, but this is a green juice also. And of course we'll be using, para mas lalong sumarap yung ating smoothie, then I'll be using also my favorite yogurt, but this time I'll be using this green yogurt also, but the inside is white guys. So this is a coconut yogurt, so let's start na. At gutom na rin ako talaga guys, so wag na natin patagalin pa, wag na tayong patumpik-tumpik pa. So when we are going to make smoothie, we have to start with the soft ingredients. So unahin natin ang ating pipino of course, kasi matubig yan. Then we'll be adding into our blender, shout out naman dyan, baka may mag-sponsor ng mas malaking blender, our guava juice. So para hindi mahirapan yung ating blender naman at baka bumigay, so kailangan natin ng mga liquids dyan. And then we'll be adding of course our favorite yogurt into our blender. So alam nyo guys, yogurt really is very good for the body. So that's why many of the times ang tanging dinner ko lang talaga is yogurt. But my favorite actually is, as I told you in my last video, is a mixed berries yogurt. But this time kasi nga green smoothie tayo, so kailangan dito tayo sa white o kaya sa green options lang. And so into our blender we'll be adding our guava na nakat ko na rin. So here we go. At para hindi mahirapan ating blender, i-start na muna natin. And then lagay na natin lahat para isahang lagayan na. So our avocado, I just use one avocado. So ayan, medyo puno na ang ating blender na sana huwag din bumigay. So unahin na natin yan. And then we'll be adding the final ingredients later, which is the lettuce of course. So ito yung ating lunch na surely napakasarap. Para hindi na ito makapag-antay guys, at talagang napakatakal na itong ating lunch. So idadagdag na natin yung ating dahon para tapos na tayo guys. So I cut also this lettuce na ilalagay natin dyan para tapos na yung ating pananghalian. So ganito lang kasimple ang lunch ng isang Antonio Sogoy or ES Variety Vlogs, pero parang punong-puno yung ating blender, so kailangan nating compress. So anyway, that's the last ingredients by the way. So ayun, let's see, and there we go. Ang sarap nito. Ayaw bumaba. Dapat pala inuna yung dahon para mabilis. So, ang tabayanan nyo matapos to guys. Ang sarap nito. Ayan, malapit na. Kailangan yung mga dahon na nasa gilid-gilid, tanggalin natin yan kasi para ma-blend lahat, kasi mayroon din na hulog at puno to kanina. But anyway, shout out Humble Barista. I really did this one for you and of course for everybody naman, na this green smoothie really guys is very nutritious and beneficial to our body. So sa mga gustong mag-lose weight dyan, go into smoothie, and this is one of the best option that we are doing for the food. So we are now on the final step for making this green smoothie. Ayaw ko po nagdagdagan ng liquid kasi para medyo feel na feel ko yung avocado. Yeah, tapos na tayo guys. Tapos na tayo. So and that's it. We finished this one. So tikman na natin yung ating green smoothie na pinagawa sa atin ng ating Humble Barista. So here we go. O diba hindi ako makita? Tingnan natin kung gaano kasarap at tikman natin guys. So pa nga. I can feel really the avocado and mixture of guava. Hindi ko na mararamdaman yung lettuce and cucumbers. So magugustuhan ito ng mga anak nyo for sure. This is a green smoothie na requested sa atin ng ating Humble Barista. So, shout out everyone and thank you really for watching. Let's have lunch guys.